Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope all of you are doing super well. And in this video, I wanted to share with you the information on AI developments being paused for the next 6 months. So this might be news for some of you. For some of you, you might already be aware of it. So for those of you who don't know on this, I just wanted to share some information. So in recent times, there was a petition that was signed by almost 1,100 industries by some of the topmost AI tech experts, and it's believed to be that even Elon Musk and Steve Wozniak are some of the few people who have signed up this petition to kind of pause AI developments for the next 6 months. So this is not something new. So if you have this question in your mind, so why pause AI developments for the next 6 months, especially with so much of inventions in AI technologies happening and we can really see the benefits of it, why actually pause this for 6 months? So according to experts, I think I would have taken a video before this on how the godfather of AI, Jeffrey Hinton, had actually quit his job to bring about awareness about the destruction that AI can bring. And this is not something new for us. There were other experts like even Elon Musk and others who have actually said that if AI not used in the right way, in non-ethical ways as well, could kind of be dangerous for humanity. So in recent times, with so much of AI developments, especially the chat GPT coming into picture, there is a serious concern for all these industries that we might be having AI intelligence with us that kind of we are not kind of all that equipped to manage that. Okay, so why do they say that? Okay, so if you see, especially with chat GPT coming into the picture, they say that chat GPT initially, the version 3, was actually built with, let's say, 175 billion parameters that it works on the intelligence. But with ChatGPT 4 coming into picture, it works on nearly trillions of parameters. So you can see within a short span of time how exponentially AI is growing. So you can see that, one AI actually has the knowledge of almost thousands and thousands of humans. So you can see, imagine put together all these AI systems, what amount of knowledge and intelligence they actually can have. So this is something really concerning experts. So especially now with so much of AI coming into picture, we don't also have laws and regulations, governing this. So the people actually want AI to be paused for 6 months so that things could be actually slowed down a bit. This exponential growth can be slowed down a bit, and groups, expert groups, can come together. The concerned, advisory groups and lawmakers, they can come down and sit and put down effective guidelines and regulations in order to govern it. So some of the recommendations are like, not every organization can just go about and start building an AI solution, because with so much of AI advancements coming and people inventing AI for X, Y, and Z features and use cases, it's important that organizations who are building AI solutions actually are authorized to build solutions. Now imagine how important this is, because not everyone can come up and build an AI solution, especially if it's non-ethical. Then this is something that's very dangerous to humanity. So if you are wondering what people are saying is really destructive to humanity and stuff like that. So if you kind of go on the net and see how AI, if not used well, what are the negative impacts, you would come to know. And one of the interesting ones that I seen lately was that AI machine actually helped out someone to harm themselves and to commit suicide. So it actually persuaded them to do that act. So similar to this, like self-harm and telling lies and manipulating information, manipulating people, creating biases, fake information, and defense industries using AI, so many things, if it actually takes a wrong turn, can be very disastrous for human beings. So lately, the U.S. Congress actually had a discussion with the boss of ChatGPT, Samuel, and he also, of course, he agreed that AI, if it takes a turn that we never expected it to take, can have negative and powerful impacts and consequences. So they are also, recommending and suggesting that definitely they would need to work with government agencies and organizations and lawmakers in order to, work in tandem with each other, in collaboration with each other, to set the right guidelines, recommendations, security protocols, and also equip ourselves for this new technology and this superhuman in our current era. So this is, I don't know if, this has already been passed or not, but this is what is actually happening in that has actually taken place, and this petition was actually signed. So we don't know what would be the decisions, but all that we need to think about is that whatever, all of us might be in the IT industry and we are building solutions, and now with AI coming into picture, so many organizations want to take up AI solutions, want to integrate AI into their, workflows and work streams, and bring about AI solutions. Just make sure that we need to make sure that we actually build ethical solutions, because in the end all of us are going to be either benefited out of it, or either we are going to be impacted from it. So it's very important that we take really responsible decisions, we think about the ethical risk that is concerned with it, and we also, look ahead of it and keep developing the right solutions for us. So another thing that I wanted to even tell you is that AI, of course, yes, it's powerful, and some of us would be having the fear of whether AI is going to overtake us and, even steal the jobs from us. But yes, there can be some jobs that AI would steal from us, but AI cannot do most of the, the, what to say, it cannot undo all the jobs from us. Of course, yes, there are going to be jobs for all of us. I can't say for all of us, but if we equip ourselves, yes. And when we use AI, also make sure that you use AI in a responsible way. Don't kind of use AI for, you know um, destruction and stuff like that. As well as keep AI as an assistant for you. Don't become too much dependent, I would say, on AI, because I recently seen people actually saying that they ask AI to write, just give them content for a small email that they should be sending out. So recently, with the mobile and auto types and auto corrections and, already autofill words coming into picture, there were so many times that actually I forgot the spelling of words, and then I was thinking about, yes, because there's so much of, things that help us out, we're kind of forgetting the basics. So one thing that at least I'm keeping in mind is, though AI is super powerful, always keep it as an assistant to you, but don't make it the master of you. So this is something that I wanted to share with you. Hope that this was little informative, and if you found this helpful, please do give this a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and also do share your feedbacks, and have a happy Sunday ahead. Thank you.